Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a review of Banjaras Amla hair care powder. It is a 100% natural product. The price of this product is 60 rupees for 100 grams. They have also given the directions of usage on the pack. It just contains amla as an ingredient in it, so it is really a natural product. You can see it comes in a cardboard packaging. Inside it contains 5 sachets. Each sachet contains 20 grams of product. I have already used 3 sachets of it. In the other pack I have finished 3 sachets. As we all know, Amla contains vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and especially it is rich in vitamin C, which is very helpful in preventing premature graying. Amla also helps to prevent dandruff and it also encourages hair growth. It promotes blood circulation through the scalp. One more use of Amla is it imparts shine to your hair. Let me show you how this powder looks. As you can see, this powder is in sand-like color. And this is a fine powder. It smells like finely grounded dried amla. So it seems really a natural product. You can mix this powder with water and make a paste of it. And apply that paste to your scalp and hair. Leave it for 30 minutes and rinse it off with water. You can also use a mild shampoo. If your hair is very dry and rough, instead of water you can use curd to mix this powder. Now coming to my experience with this amla powder. This amla powder helps to make your hair healthy. Amla is really helpful if you have weak hair strands. It promotes blood circulation and helps to strengthen it. So overall amla powder is really good for hair. It maintains overall hair health. And this one is an affordable product. It contains 100% natural amla powder in it, which is really a great thing. It does not contain any added preservatives or colors. If you do not have time to get dry amla and powder it, then you can try this product. It is really a great substitute for amla powder that we make at home. So this is my take on this product, guys. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.